What's up, everybody? My name's Evan, and welcome to Life on a Bobber. Today I'm just going to take you around a little ride and just kind of introduce myself. This is a new channel, obviously, and just bringing you along on my adventures on my 2018 Scout Bobber ABS. This is again, 2018 Scout Bobber ABS. I picked it up in Hollister, California, about a month ago. I've put about 800 miles on it since then. It's been an absolute dream to ride. I haven't personally ridden in about 15 years or so, and so this is a good entry level, I would say, for getting back into riding, especially on the cruiser level. I was never really a fan of street bikes. I mean, I've ridden street bikes, but I am more of a cruiser style, and to kind of get back into things, I am starting off on this 2018 Indian Scout Bobber. This is the ABS model. Currently sporting the Vance & Hines Grenades pipes. I like them. I have seen the pipes that swoosh down in that angle. I don't know who makes them. I'll have to look that up. I like that look a lot better. I don't like the look of the pipe going up like this. I like it more straight. This is definitely a vast improvement over the stock ones. The stock pipes to me on this bikes look awful. The new versions of these have the spoked rims. These are the mag rims. Obviously these look a heck of a lot better. Just some other little things that I like versus getting a new one. I got the used one, obviously, and I picked this up. It only had 2,300 miles on it. Picked it up for a little less than $10,000 in California. Seemed like a good deal out here for what it is. I really don't plan on making any other changes to it right now. I'm probably just going to ride it as is. It's got an injector mod on it, and like I said, it's got these Vance & Hines pipes on it. Other than that, I'll probably change out the headlight because I do ride at night, and the stock headlight on this is pretty awful. You can't really see a whole lot on it. So if you're going to do some night riding, I would recommend stepping up to a higher output LED light. Hopefully I'll get one of those here in the future. But yeah, this is it. The only other thing I've done since I got it, and I still need to move it, is add a dual USB module on this. And this is great for making sure your cameras are charged, your phone's charged, or your helmet's charged, or anything else like that. So anyway, again, thanks for coming along the ride. This is just an introductory video. Again, my name's Evan. Welcome to Life on a Bobber. I don't know if we'll stick with that. We'll see if it goes, or if we'll switch to something else. But I like that. Sounds like a good channel name for right now. So I'll probably start doing some reviews of gear I started off with. Again, I'm new to riding again after about 15 years, and kind of the gear that I'm starting off with again. I'll start doing that. But anyways, I just wanted to do again nice quick introduction, and we'll see you on the road.